In this tutorial, you will learn how to create reviews with goals in Peoplebox. On the configure steps of this review cycle page, you can choose which types of reviewers to include. To enable a reviewer type, simply toggle the switch next to the desired option. If you would like to include goals in the review cycle, you can enable them in this section. Under the Goal Selection and Approval section, you have two options. One, employees can select their goals and you may choose whether managers must approve them. Two, managers select and approve the goals directly. In this case, there is no separate phase for goal approval since it is handled entirely by the managers. In the Goal Cycle section, use the drop-down to choose from active, previous, upcoming, or all cycles to select goals for the review cycle. You can select any one goal type. One is goal only, where reviewees are evaluated only on the parent goal. Two is key result only, where reviewees are evaluated on key results grouped by the parent goal. Three is goal and key results, where reviewees will be evaluated on either goals or key results or both. You can enable goal weightage for the review cycle, which requires reviewees to assign weightage to each goal or key result. You may also define minimum and maximum percentage limits and allow users to assign a weightage of 0% if needed. You can choose to make goals private by default. This means any goals created within the review's experience will automatically be set as private. Under Forms, you can decide where the Goals module should appear. By default, it is included in both the Self and Manager's summary, but you can disable it if needed. Once you are satisfied with all configurations, click Save and Continue. Click on Create Form to add questions for the review. You can either build one from scratch or select questions from a template. When you select Create from Scratch and then click on the Create New Block dropdown, you will see several options. Since goals are enabled for this review cycle, the goal option will be available. A default question is included in the goal block. You can change the question or heading and customize it as needed. You can set the goal question as either mandatory or optional. You can make the goal question either rating-based or open text. You also have the option to allow both a rating scale along with an open text response. You have the option to display goal progress in the review, which will be visible to reviewees. Choose whether to display both the rating, number, and the legend text in review forms and review packets, PDFs. If disabled, only the legend text will be shown. Once you finish editing the goal block, click on Add Goal Block to add it to the form. After all forms are created, click on Save and continue to proceed.